I'm making roasted shrimp with cranberry cocktail sauce. And I'm here to tell you, do not wait to the holidays or a special occasion to make this. It's good, you can have it anytime. We love shrimp, we eat it all the time. So let's make it. I'm starting with the cranberries, so you can use fresh, frozen, or I'm actually using from a can. And I've also added a little bit of dried craisins. Worcestershire sauce. Got ketchup. And horseradish sauce. Next thing we're doing is coating the shrimp. So I'm adding olive oil. So let's get it coated in the oil so everything else will stick. Smoked paprika. I've got fresh thyme that I've chopped. Salt. And pepper. Okay, we'll stir it up again to get everything coated. All right, now the color's starting to show up. That looks good. All right, we're gonna put them on our sheet pan. All right, let me spread them out so they got room to cook. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and then we're gonna put this in the oven. The pool is waiting for us. Okay, the oven is set at 425 and it's going to cook around 6 minutes, but you need to keep an eye on it because shrimp cooks quickly and you don't want to overcook it. Now we're going to have to wait. All right, let's take them out. Ah, beautiful. So we're gonna let those sit for a few minutes, and we're gonna give them a try. I'm ready.
So am I. This looks amazing. What is it?
Roasted shrimp with cranberry cocktail sauce.
It's not too complicated of a name.
Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't mess it up a bunch of times.
This was quick in the oven with the shrimp. Mm-hmm. Sauce took a few minutes, but not complicated.
And you can adjust it. Actually, we turned the camera off and we did adjust the sauce.
I like cranberries, Worcestershire, horseradish, ketchup, catsup. Mm.
I only like a little bit of horseradish sauce. Mark likes more.
I would say it needs a little horseradish added. Otherwise,
Yeah? Okay.
sweet and delicious.
Mm-hmm.
The shrimp are tender. Thank you for not overcooking them.
Yeah.
Not that you do, but
It's easy to do. I like the dipping sauce.
if you're wondering if the shrimp are done,
They
take them
are.
out.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And it's just a Friday night. This isn't even a special occasion.
Cheers, friends. I've got a nice New England double hopped IPA here. Oh, pairs perfectly.
It does? Yeah? How did you know? You didn't?
It just does.
It just does. Well, I highly recommend making this. This is really good. Summertime, anytime.
Speaking of summertime, the swimming pool beckons us as
It
we
does.
chomp down on these last few shrimp and get into the pool for a cool evening dip here in Florida.
That's right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, 2 videos a week. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.